So hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment 5G wireless standard design week 3rd assignment 3rd. So the first question is in 5G transceiver chain which functional block remove the null bits. So these are the options: CRC addition, code block segmentation, rate matching, LDPC decoding. So the answer of our first question is C, rate matching. Now the second question is in PDSCH what is the resultant bit sequence after performing interleaving on bit sequence this when QPSK is used for modulation. So these are the option and the answer of our second question is A. Now the third question is identify the functionality below from section 5.2 of 38.211 document from 3GPP release 15 and name the block in which the functionality is used. So these are the functionalities and these are the option: rate matching, scrambling, LDPC, encoding, interleaving. So the answer of our third question is B, scrambling. Now the fourth question is if a user is you assign 24 PRBS over 2012 OFDM symbols in a given slot for PDSCH and with 16 QAM modulation, when the transport block size is 7986, then calculate the value of G. So the value of, and note, assume that in each PRB 6 REs are allocated for DMRS. So the answer of our fourth question is 13248. Now the fifth question is in question fourth, if the transport block size is 9875, then calculate the size of rate matched block. So the answer of fifth question is 13248, same as fourth question. Now the sixth question is pick the correct order in which we perform 5G NR processing on data from left to right for PDSCH during transmission. So these are the option. So and answer of our sixth question is A, LDPC coding, scrambling, modulation, and interleaving. Now the seventh question is if 150 PRBS are allocated over 13 OFDM symbols to transmit a PDSCH with transport block size of 32,984 bits using 64 QAM modulation. Calculate the RV index for the third retransmission if the LDPC encoder is used base graph 1. Note, assume that in each PRB 6 REs are allocated for DMRS. So the answer of our seventh question is 3. Now the eighth question is the number of slots per subframe in a 5G system that has a subcarrier spacing of 30 kilohertz. So the answer of our eighth question is 2. Now our ninth question is identify the pseudocode from the standard and specific the block which denote this functionality. So this is a function and the options of our question 9 is segmentation, rate matching, LDPC, encoding, interleaving. So the answer of our ninth question is B, rate matching. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.